So I just got a surprise in the mail from Llewellyn. Uh, the great occult publisher. They sent me a free box a couple of weeks ago. It's been amazing. And then I just got this box out of nowhere. So I'm going to unbox it with you. I did open it just to see what the hell it was. And I do know that this is going to end with me taking off my shirt and reciting an old nonsense poem. So, let's see what's in the box. Beautiful orange wrapping paper. And this is a thing of tea, loose leaf tea. And there is a mushroom holder tea strainer thingy, which is pretty cool. And then, this is what I'm talking about, there is the Mad Hatter in a bag that triggers my material anxiety. But it's a beautiful picture of him, and inside is, wow! It's his clock! Is this like a real clock? I think it's a fake clock, but it's a real fake clock. My kids are gonna love this. So this is a cool Mad Hatter style clock. I'm late for a very important date. There's instructions. I think there's there was an Alice in Wonderland thing in here. I don't know what's going on, but I am into it. Tea magic. And then another card with a giant key on it. The card on the outside had a little QR code with I'm late for a very important date. Traveling down the rabbit hole isn't for the faint of heart, but strong and creative dreamers and those who love Paolo Barberi's art. Will Alice get in her head, or will she find whimsical glory? This code will lead you to the full story. Well, this is getting more and more exciting because this is Paola Barberi. So I'm a big Alice in Wonderland fan. I have at least a dozen copies here around the house. I've already read most of it to my 5-year-old way before I probably should have. So this apparently is a new version of it. And so I think that's what this is all about. And yeah, you'll see how much I'm into this at the end. Another card. Should I open all these right now? There's something in this one. Oh, seeds. That's great. I have a garden. Oh, and little flower stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. So are my kids. But I'm putting these on my windows, not their windows. And so, little plant shapes to grow flowers. Seeded paper. You just throw the paper in the ground. The gardeners were painting the queen's white roses red because if they didn't, it'd be off with their head. Gardening can be magical and done in your backyard too. Scan this QR code and learn what to do. Oh my god. I think there's going to be a follow-up video to what all of this is leading towards. This, I didn't know, Laura Woodward's Backyard Garden Witchery. Well, this sounds great. I am married to a witch, in fact. Creating magical space outside your door. That looks fascinating. And another card. This is great. Oh my god, did they hit their target audience? Queen of Hearts. Be careful not to upset the queen or she might do something obscene. Lost Girls. Where was your croquet invitation? Maybe you can do some quick playing card divination. If you scan your QR code before trial, you might keep your head for a while. And there is a pack of playing cards. I think they look like standard Monaco Regal playing cards. Probably all blotted with LSD. And then, every card tells a story. Playing card divination. I know that a friend on here was talking about how much she uses playing cards because really playing cards are the debased form of the tarot. They were, and even here in France, you call playing cards tarot cards. And so, every divination works because it's all a mirror of ourselves. So playing card divination makes a lot of sense to me. Look, a sticker of a key, 2 stickers of heart keys. Okay, that seems to be it. There will be a follow-up video, I believe, about what all this means. But let me recite for you the first nonsense poem. Actually, the first poem I ever memorized from Through the Looking Glass. 'Twas brillig in the slithy toves, the gyre and gimble in the wave. All mimsy were the borogroves, and the momrass outgrabe. Beware the jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, the claws that catch. Beware the jubjub bird, and shun the frumious bandersnatch. He took his vorpal sword in hand, long time the manaxum foe he sought, and rested he by the tumtum tree, and stood a while in thought. And as in uffish thought he stood, the jabberwock with eyes of flame came whiffling through the tugly wood, and burbled as it came. 1, 2, and 2, and through the vorpal blade went snicker snack. He left it dead, and with his head he went galumphing back. Hast thou slain the jabberwock, my son? Oh, comes my arms, my frabbish boy. Callooh, callay, he chortled in his joy. 'Twas brillig in the slithy toves, and gyre and gimble in the wabe. All mimsy were the borogroves, and the momraths outgrabe. Thanks, Llewellyn.